build software with Vorpal, whether it be locally or in CI. You could cache software with Vorpal, whether it be locally or remotely somewhere else. You can develop with Vorpal, shells, containers, VMs, and then you can deploy with Vorpal, which is like creating, again, pipelines or, whatever this means, cloud providers or Kubernetes. I haven't added the part yet about, like creating infrastructure, like the Terraform part. That's probably the only thing that's missing right now, but I think this is more than enough to chew on. So we've got all of this for the Vorpal side, right? And then if we go to Vorpal SDK, we go to proposed features. We have two features that I want to work on, which is the community packages, figuring out how to have a centralized community package system that everyone can use. And then that is effectively like how you import shared, packages or binaries or things that you need to build. And then the language functions, like, okay, instead of just using new package, create a SDK function that's like build Rust package or build, TypeScript package or whatever. So yeah, we got a lot of cool stuff coming for Vorpal. I'm excited. I'm very excited. And then Quirk again is really awesome and like has a lot of really cool stuff coming along with it as well. Hayden added some UI elements, some like nice new UI elements, which I think really made Quirk look a lot better. You're looking at it right now, basically. So this is the dashboard. He updated all of the he basically updated all of the top here. The I guess toolbar. He added some like, some nice little features. We've got a nice little gradient or border or whatever now. You've got an icon up here for your actual profile. The quirk is actually been made out and added a little bit, nice and neat here. We've got a cool little rocket icon with quirk. If you click on automation, the automation dashboard actually loads a lot nicer now. Again, because we use lambdas, if you're requesting for the first time, those requests are going to take a second. But this is all of the automated messages dashboard, or basically all of our automation. And this is kind of like how Quirk is like approaching how to solve problems, is to really think more about it in the sense of like, okay, well, if I'm a content creator, like what is the automation that I want? Right? What is the what are the connections that I want to connect to? And this may change in the future. I don't know if it's going to be automation or something else, but like we'll figure out something that will make sense. But again, this is all of the bot stuff, basically. This is how you do all of your automated messages. So, if you guys, ask what are your courses or what is your Discord, right? This is how the bot knows how to respond to questions like that, He also updated the connections panel. So now each provider's a little bit cleaner put together, I think. We have a main page here, and then you just click on which provider you're trying to connect with. And then again, this is the start to a lot of other features we'll be adding to Quirk in the future. Let me catch up with chat. Sorry. How would that software be deployed, though? Wait, sorry. Whoa, I missed stuff here. I've missed stuff here. I thought about adding a Gradle build or setup or something like the build go package function, but I have no idea how to implement this in Nix, so I'm not doing that. Well, you know what? I can help you implement in Vorpal. Does anyone know a good source to learn the Nix language? Although I can read it and program a bit. Yeah, just say what is Nix in chat. The bot has a couple of recommendations there. So the first one is kickstart.nix. When I got into Nix and I started learning Nix, I realized that for me, I needed like really good examples. Like I needed to actually see the code and like what it looked like. And so We worked on or not worked on, but we're working on and contributing more and more to a project called kickstart.nix, which this repo is basically set up to be as like an example and a guide to get you started with Nix so that you can start getting your hands dirty with it, basically. There's a couple guides here down at the bottom where if you want to learn how to set it up on like the actual Nix OS operating system on a Mac,